Hello everyone, welcome back. So in last lesson, we add photo.service as well as upload photo.services. And the reason we need to have two services because add photo.service will take care of the data, like the photo name, title, description, and upload photo will take care of the image upload. And the reason we need to use a separate upload photo service which use XHR instead of Angular 2 directly is because Angular 2 doesn't have a support for multi-part file upload. Okay, so we have to tackle it as a workaround. All right, so in this lesson we'll start to work on the add photo.component, which will utilize the services we created. Okay, right click on your components folder, create a new file, and call it add -photo.component.ts. I'll just copy from some other places for imported packages. Okay, so we don't need this router and we don't need the photo service, but we do need the add photo service. We also need upload photo service. Okay, and before we write more, I forgot to register our two services we just add as providers. Okay, let's just do that. So we're gonna import those two services, put it here. So instead of two dots, it'll be just one dot. And then we need to mark the providers as upload photo service. Well, actually, let's delete that. We can also, I just want to show you guys, we can also actually add the providers here at this component level. Okay, providers upload photo service, add photo service. Okay, and let's add some fields here. Say new photo. We instantiate a new instance. And then we have a Boolean status control. Default is false valid. And we have a user variable. Now we can use the constructor to upload photo service to instantiate those services. Okay, and then we define a onSubmit method. So this one is going to use our user service that get a user by name, local storage that get item, current user name, and we're going to do something at the subscribe. So once we fetch the user, JSON.pass JSON.stringify user. So we will pass the return result as our user. Okay. And then we'll make this new photos user as the fetched user. Add photo service dot send photo. Okay, dot subscribe. And this dot photo added equals true. This dot new photo equals new photo. Okay. We need to wrap this up with the curly braces, and we have the data pass like that. All right, we're gonna define an error here as well. So let's see whether that looks correct or not. This one should be like that. No. Okay, there we go. All right, clean up a little bit. So here, basically, we are retrieving our user information from the current username, and that variable is actually stored in our local storage. Okay, and we need to use the user service, the get user by name method, to retrieve that. And once we retrieve the user, we can assign this new user, the user, not new user, the current user, to our new photo.user property. Okay, and then we can send that new photo information by using the add photo service. Okay, now let's create our add photo.component.html, and this will be a form like previously we have done, like register new user. So we can just directly grab and use the previous one from the register.component.html and paste in there, and we're gonna delete some of them. So we have our field like this. Okay, can get rid of this part. All right, and then for the label, let's just delete it as well. Okay, so we have add your photo as title, and this one will be photo edit instead of register. This one will be add photo form. Okay. Then we have a label here, photo name, and this one will be new photo dot photo name. Okay. And the second one, we have another label called photo title. New photo dot title. And then let's copy this field and add a description. So we can get rid of this required. Description is optional. And the description placeholder is description. And the property binding, it will be new photo.description. And we have our upload photo. So type will be file. We don't need this placeholder. We need to bind in this change behavior to upload photo service dot file change event. So that's basically detecting whether you have chosen a file or not. And then we're gonna add a button. So once it's clicked, we will call the upload method to upload our image. Okay. And let's give a horizontal line and a line break. And here we have our submit button. Okay. And this one will change to photo edit. Add photo success. Okay, now that we have our add photo component, we need to add this to our router. So come back to our app.component.ts. Here we're going to import add photo. And then we need to put add photo in our directives so that we can use it in our path. the path will be /add photo. Well, let's keep the style the same. And name will be add photo. Component will be add photo. And this one should be curly braces instead of parentheses. Okay. And then come back to our page and refresh. Alright, so try to log in. Submit. And click on the My Album. Click on Add a Photo. There we go. Here comes our Add Photo form. And that's pretty much for the front end for this Add Photo functionality. In the next lesson, we'll look at how can we handle the Add Photo functionality in the backend. All right. See you guys in the next video. Bye.